What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna do some work on the Hyundai Tiburon. So yeah, today we are working with the Hyundai again, and I want to start this video by apologizing for not posting last week. Made a post and I'll let you know that I got hurt working with this car today, feeling a lot better, and now we're gonna get back to work on the car. So the video, basically I delete most of the files by accident, so I don't have anything. So right now this video is gonna start halfway, but let me show you where we at. So I went ahead and removed the fuel tank. Of course you have to remove the two hangers. You guys can see them right there. Apologize, there's not a lot of lighting in here, but yeah, so remove those. Have to remove over here from the fuel neck, and it was a lot of like hoses and stuff around this area that I had to remove. So I have the new gas tank over here. So I got on in the new assembly that I got. This is some of the hoses that I have to connect. Everything here is also more rusted, so it's giving me a very hard time to take things apart. So I have to put bolt this on, all this on, have to pull all these hoses and put everything back. Also I snap another bolt inside I have to fix for the hanger. But yeah, we're looking good so far. So the goal is try to finish this as soon as possible so I can get you guys a video. So let's go. So just a quick reminder, I have to remove my exhaust in order to drop the tank. So I went ahead, made some progress. I already put these two things over here, paint them red because that's what I had laying around. Have the new bolts, you guys can see it right there. I have the new gaskets. I put new C-clamps since the other one got rusted. Just to give you an idea, it looked like this one. Let me put the light off. So there you guys can see it. So basically everything was like that. So the plastic underneath, it was cracked. So I did use a little bit of silicone just to prevent leaks, since I have the check engine light for like a vacuum leak. So basically that takes us to like 1, 2, and 3, and actually we have 4 and 5. So basically all this line break from my old fuel tank, and I have it underneath, and hopefully you guys can see. So there's one strap, the other one is the other one right there. And all these things right here, this is the line that was supposed to be attached to the fuel tank. You guys can see that it's cracked there. It's actually leaking. You guys can see it right there. So that have to be out. So then I have this one right here. I have this one right here, and then I have one that is coming all the way from over here, all the way in the top. Let me show you. And this one right here, I went ahead and as well and weld that bolt right there. It's not the prettiest, but it should be good to actually hold the fuel cell. And there on the hole, you guys can see that I have the fuel pressure hose and also the return line. And over here, this big one over here is actually the one for the fuel neck. Everything is rusted over here, so I have to break a lot of things in order to pull it out, but we're getting ready to put everything back in. So let's go. I almost forgot, this one is the heat shield. Again, painted red because that's what I had. You guys can see how many holes this thing has, and this metal is very fragile because it was basically all rusted. So I did order a little bit of heat tape, the gold one. That one should be coming soon, but this one have to be attached underneath of the fuel tank, as well as this plastic cover over here. So this one is supposed to be bolted in. It has bolts everywhere. Most of them were rusted, so I ended up breaking them, so I use zip ties to hold them. And I did save like 4 of them right here, and these 4 actually should be enough to hold the heat shield. That's what I have them. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to start cleaning up underneath, because we're gonna start putting the hoses underneath and trying to put the fuel tank. Then after that, have to figure out how I'm gonna empty this fuel tank over here and somehow put some fuel over here, so that way I can start up the car. So let's go. Alright, so successfully I got everything done down here. Fuel tank is on. I have the hangers all tied away. I put all the hoses with the new clamps, and here is the hose that I snapped. So I have like this metal piece, and actually I got the new hose clamp right there with the new hose. I have to do a new bracket for the canister, whatever name it is canister perch bulb or something like the canister, whatever. Have to make a new bracket because the other one got rusted. This one had laying around, it's aluminum, so it shouldn't rust. So that's done. Now we're gonna go inside the car, and inside the car here we have how everything looks. I still have to put the fuel pressure hose, as you guys can see right there. Trying to make my best to work with this lighting. And I also have to put the return line, which is actually right there as well. So I'm gonna do that. I should actually have connect those 2 plugs, and we should be basically done. We just need to put the exhaust, put some fuel, and see what happens. Let's go. All right, so we all done here. Seat is back, everything's all set. Now what we're gonna do, I'm going to try to put some fuel on it. Alright, so I went ahead and put the fuel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to attempt the first start. It's getting very late, it's after 10 o'clock, so just gonna start it up for like 1 second, make sure it runs, shut it down, because I don't wanna disturb the neighbors. Right. You guys see it? This thing is loud. So now that I know that everything is working, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt up the exhaust and hopefully go fill up the tank. So let's go. All right, so the car is back on the floor, and now we are about to go to get some fuel. The exhaust is back, we should be good to go. So let's start up the car. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The Hyundai Tiburon now has a brand new fuel tank and it's working the way it should. Also, I want to welcome all the new subscribers and give you a shout out to all of you for helping me out to reach 1600 subs. So thank you so much. You guys are the best. You guys are awesome. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you all. Stay safe and have a nice day.